causes this. Like, seriously, this is cool. Like, I won't be doing this a lot. It's so cool. It's just really cool. I don't even have to do that process so much anymore. I can just use this tinfoil, because this is a tinfoil garbage I've had under my bed for like 2 years. And blue sparks and red sparks, like, they're really pretty. Like, I honestly love plasma. It's like one of my favorite types of things. Like, what is it called? Like, properties? Things? This is the last, like, kind of minute, and then we're gonna end this video. I hope you guys like this series. I'm gonna go back to Minecraft soon. Don't worry, I like making these type of videos. Make me laugh myself, honestly. And this one actually makes me think it looks cool. Like, I like seeing these. On the other side, it's dangerous, so don't do this in your own microwave. I'm doing it because mine is, like, protected, kind of. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but mine doesn't, like, explode and it's not old. But please don't do this at home, unless you want to, like, an explode your not explode, but like ruin it. And it's not ruining it, it's just making it, I don't know, I just don't want you to, like, hurt yourself. But bye, guys, subscribe.